Yesterday, I was listening to Nnamdi Kanu younger brother, and he was calling Port Harcourt Ibocha. He was calling Port Harcourt Ibocha. So, how will he feel if I call Umoya in Biama? How will he feel if I say Umoya in Biama, Abakana? If I call Abba Bakana, that the name of Abba is Bakana, it's not Abba. Or Umoya is in Biama. That's the mindset you people, you eat have, that you want to expand and colonize people. Port Harcourt, Ibocha. God well. Butcher your food, you not get sense. It is saddening that these people had continued to preach hate, to spread hate, to attack Muslims for no reasons. Because laying the foundation for destruction and death. They are coming out with their Islamophobia and hate. Because their God, mad lunatic Trump, had said so. See, let me tell you people, America has gone everywhere. They went to Vietnam, they failed. They went to Iraq, they failed. They went to Afghanistan, they failed. They went to Libya, they failed. All that they can achieve is destruction, death. They live in their trail, pain, sorrow, and sadness. Apart from that, they achieve nothing. And at the end of the day, Christianity will be seen in its darkest form. Because what you are accusing Muslims of, you are the one doing it. They instigate prosy wars all over the Muslim world. Their target is that they will destroy Islam. They've not been able to destroy Islam. Look at that liar, Dachomo, Ezekiel Dachomo. So if people are talking about lie, you stand up and lie. How many Muslims? I've been a Muslim for 38 years. I can beat my chest. I can beat my chest and say that Muslims are better in all ramifications. Do Muslims sit down in the mosque and collect money from people? I have built about 5 mosques. I'm the one supporting the mosque. People come to pray in the mosque. I am the one supporting the mosque. I don't collect a dime from the mosque. And maybe you don't know my history. I was a Bible study leader. I was a Sunday school teacher. I am married to Christians, active Christians, who use my house. You will not be able to listen to the truth. Continue pretending that the truth does not matter. Wa alaikum salam. But the truth will come to stare at you, whether you like it or not. And you think Donald Trump will come and kill us and it will end there. He will come here and support you to kill Muslims and it will end there, as you are supporting the genocide in Palestine. They will come here and kill us and it will just end. Did it end in Libya? Did it end in Lebanon? Did the killing end in Lebanon? You are praying for your fellow countrymen and women to be killed by outsiders because of your Islamophobia, your hate for Islam. When I see Yoruba Christians right in support of this thing, I ask myself, what do they expect the Yoruba Muslim who had been living cordially with their Christian brothers and sisters, as you are threatening them every day? As they are threatened, who is talking about Nigeria? Does Nigeria translate to being a Muslim? I am a Muslim. So how would you accommodate the Yoruba Muslims who had been more liberal than any set of Muslims. You are there, you are a Yoruba man, you are attacking them, you are abusing them, you are doing all sorts of things at them, you are angering them. You want to weaponize the Yoruba Muslims so that they will start having problem with you. What of the Edo Muslims who have been living side by side in their house, mother Christian, father Muslim, father Christian, mother Muslim, senior sister Christian, younger brother Muslim? They've been living together. You are writing. You are from Edo State. You are writing. You are inviting he who carries a ant-infected, termite-infected wood on his head. He go see what thing go happen to him. You are going to carry termite-infected wood on your head. You are an Edo Muslim. Bilkis, your sister. You are David. Your sister is Bilkis. The same father, the same mother. Your children go on holiday to her house. She does not make them Christian. Our children come to your house. And you are supporting this evil that some few people who whatever they want to gain are promoting. If there is any religion of violence, go and ask the people who started the First World War, the Second World War, the Vietnamese War. Go and ask those people who dropped the bomb at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, whether they are Muslims. Who went and occupied Palestine, whether they are Muslims. Islam is a violent religion. Let us check the number of deaths that are occurred in the violence created by you people. You spread hate where there is no hate. Which Ijaw Muslim has attacked you before? Which Yoruba Muslim has attacked you before? Which Igbo Muslim has attacked you? Which Ghanaian Muslim has attacked you before? Or a Benin Muslim? I stayed in Benin. Which Muslim in Benin had attacked you before? And then you keep on bringing this baseless argument, liars who want to benefit. Christ come is an opportunity for them to now trade and become popular. He's shouting. You could place cost on people. That's not. If I place cost on you, you will not last 24 hours. Wallahi billahi bi-iznillah. You will not last 24 hours. If I, Mujahid Dokbo, I place a cost on you, as you have been placing cost on people, 24 hours, you will not last. Because you are a fake and you are a liar. There's hardly any crisis in the north that is rooted in religion. So the Hausa people, farmers that have been killed in Sokoto and in Kebbi by the so-called bandits or whatever they are called, why are they killing them? Why are they killing them? Yes, they are Muslims. Regrettably, every one of us says it. They claim to be Muslim. They claim to be Sani. They claim to be Idris. They claim to be this. They claim to be that. But are they real Muslim? The Quran is very clear that he who takes a life other than in the cause of justice is as if he has saved, he has killed the whole world. He will save a life as if he has saved the whole world. That's what the Quran says. Show me another religious text that says so. Don't go and quote any other sort. The Quran is there. Pick it up. Pick it up. Read it. Don't be lazy. If you like, close your mind. Read the Quran to cover to cover. I have read the Bible cover to cover 16 times. I have read parts pieces of Bhagavad Gita because the stories are boring and not interesting. I have read so many Jewish literatures. Those are the worst that anybody can read. The most genocidal book on the surface of the earth. To now, everywhere, people are on national television, bashing Muslim, talking all sorts of things, talking all sorts of lies. I am a testimony of a Muslim. I have the power. I have the power as a human being to oppose anybody. But I chose to use that power to fight the very bandits you people are so ugly and afraid of and making it a religious issue. I'm a Muslim. For the past 4 years plus, I've been fighting these bandits. And many of their most notorious commanders had fallen by the hands of my men. Many had been captured. You are proudly hiding under your bed. Wherever these evil men are, I had volunteered to go there. Today, people are making it business. When they were calling people to come and fight, to people to volunteer to come and fight, they were not there because we are fighting. They have turned it to business. They want to have business transaction with it. We have been fighting this element. It is sad that people's lives are being played with. Who the hell are you to play with the lives of your fellow human beings and tell people it's Christian, it's Muslim? But some years ago, my wife, an Ijo woman from late now, from Odi, was in a taxi. There was crisis in the north. One man, a Iboland man, in Port Harcourt, just saw and said, she said, give me my change. And she entered the taxi. Say, why I go give you your change? You, because we not kill you. In her home place. Married to a son of the land. Look, let me tell you, they can't do nothing. Yes, I said so. Chibuzo. So many. You want me to show you pictures and videos? This old issue of somebody who is in his own country will just stay and play God and then start to spread hatred, put a knife in the midst of people for no reason other than that he is president of a country that possesses weapons of mass destruction, and so he can threaten anybody. Is it Edoko, Emma? Already, people like Ijele, many Igbos have started speaking out of the crime and atrocities you people are committing. You are hiding under that to commit these crimes, and you think you can go scot-free. The crimes you are committing against your people, you think you can go scot-free. You'll be killed. Because there is no hiding place for the wicked. There is no hiding place for the wicked. You have reduced Iboland to rubbles, to desolation, total destruction in many places. Go to Lilu. Go to Ndemiri. Go to Okigwe. Go to Oshu. Go to Tinasa. Go to those places and see the destruction that you have brought upon the people. Go to Gidi, introducing children to drugs, drugging them to go out and kill people, kidnap people. Total social and economic dislocation in Iboland. You come here. So you people stay. You pretend, you use this word, you say these things, you cause disunity, you are inviting a war that you will not be here. Maybe you run away and leave other people to bear the consequences of what you are calling for. We will know we will run. No leave. There's no leave for us. No retreat, no surrender. All this man shouting, Muslims are liars, Muslims are liars. Look at that liar. That 419. You want to gain from suffering of people. You want to gain from the suffering of people. You apply for US visa. It was rejected how many times? You apply for Canadian visa. You want to profit from the suffering of people. I come from one of the most privileged families and background in this part of the world. I come from one of the most lasting over 300 years. We've been on the world headline. And I've strived on my own. No Muslim can say that he did something extraordinary for me. No Muslim. There are Muslims in big offices. They were awarding contracts to Christians and so on. You go there, they will not award the Salam alaikum, alaikum salam. They shake your hand. It's not right. Against all odds, I succeeded. They are alive. They are even seeing me now. Against all odds. There's no Muslim in Nigeria who will stand up and say, I gave Mujahid a contract of so. None. No Muslim. But they are giving non-Muslim. They are Muslim. They are sharing money with them. They are giving non-Muslim contract. And I'm better than them. A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. Which Muslim? Let any Muslim in the north come out and show us one Southerner, one person from the south and southeast that is a Muslim, that they created, that they gave contract to, that they sent to school, that have PhD, have masters. Let them come out and point one. So for this issue, we became Muslim because we wanted money. See, if you see the number of PhDs I have produced, master degree holders have produced, first degree have produced, people have sent to school, people have sent everywhere. You not even open your deck, you not put your leprosy hand and start writing on that your chinko phone. The number of people are giving life and hope to. I don't make noise. I don't need to advertise my own. People say, why are you not advertising? Why would I advertise? They are there. A betrayal of who? Shibueze. A betrayal of who now? Who did I betray? Or you don't know the meaning of betrayal? Yes, if I denounce one Nigeria, and I realize that, at the end of the day, I realize that one Nigeria is better than what you people are looking for. The hate, the bile, the destruction. Yesterday, I was listening to Nnamdi Kanu, younger brother, and he was calling Port Harcourt Ibocha. He was calling Port Harcourt Ibocha. So, how will he feel if I call Umoya in Biama? How will he feel if I say Umoya in Biama, Abakana? If I call Abba Bakana, that the name of Abba is Bakana, it's not Abba. Or Umoya, it's in Biama. That's the mindset you people, you have, that you want to expand and colonize people. Port Harcourt, Ibocha. God, well. Ibocha, your foot, you not get sense. You come from bush inside bush, waka come. Your legs never see river, because if you see river, it's a peace. If you see river, the river where they travel, it's a peace of pant. They can't call Port Harcourt Ibocha. You stand up, they call Port Harcourt Ibocha. So Moya na Impiama now. Abba na Bakana now. Nama Chobri. They're talking of betrayal. You think that you can just take people? Look, those people, those are our people that sees you and afraid of you, that you look down on. It's not the same. What we're saying is that everyone is saying there are killings. No doubt about it. But these killings, are they rooted in religion? Are they rooted in Islam? Like I told you, you hate Muslim, but you're a security man, not Muslim. You put your life in the hands of a Muslim, say Malam, in the entire house. Like I told you before, my friend has a church. He's a pastor, my friend, my very close friend. His driver for 25 years is a Muslim. He has tried as much as possible to convert the driver. He's a security man. He's a Muslim. The children of the man enters his room, they clean his room. If he's going anywhere, he takes his briefcase, he gives to Sani. For over 25 years, Sani has been his driver, carrying his money, carrying everything. On Friday, he will allow Sani to go to the mosque. During Ramadan, he will allow Sani to do his Ramadan. So Port Harcourt was Ibocha. Do you know how many settlements that were in Port Harcourt? Was Port Harcourt one community? Was Port Harcourt one community? You are the fool and stupid person. Port Harcourt has 3 components. Kalawari component, Okrika component, and Ikwere component. Maybe it is Ikwere area you are calling Ibocha now. I don't know. You go and ask Ikwere people. But I know that the Kalawari component and Okrika component are not Ibocha. So what was the name of Umoya? Let us be liberal, open-minded, and see the things. Somebody that no Muslim had attacked him before is coming to talk of a Christian genocide. Muslims are committing genocide against Christians. But he will go to Abuja. He will go from one office to another. He goes to take contract from Muslims. Muslims are far better. Muslims did not start the First World War. They didn't start the Second World War. They did not drop the on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. They did not go to Iraq to say that they are weapons of mass destruction and kill millions of people. Am I looking for a boss? If Tom Ataka is still my boss, so what's the problem? If Tom Ataka is still my boss, did Ataka tell you he's my boss? Even if he's my boss, how am I not better than you? Ataka is my boss. Me, I'm better than you. In all ramifications, in everything. Ataka is still my boss. Okay. I am not an equal man or an equal authority. I have equal blood flowing in me. I know that equal is Igbo. Flowing in my vein. I know that equal is Igbo. I know that the chain is Igbo. I have said it over. The thing is that you people don't read. You have a mindset. You conclude. You draw conclusion without thinking. I've said it over and over that equal is Igbo, Eche is Igbo, Ekpe is Igbo, Oba is Igbo. I've said it over and over and over. So if I look for pipeline contract, what is wrong? What is wrong with it? Honorable Prince Maxwell Yellow, Fian Bibi Solama. If you have him, you need Kunsa Kanini Bari. Fian Bibi Solama. Fian Bibi Solama. You called me a fool. Even kissing. Here by Bopakawari. Here by Bopakabadi. Here am I above Eden Crabba. If full kissing. Crabba tell you, remember, never to me worry. Indicate kind of my every matter to me. This man can go a bit up there. It can kind of my every mayo. And I assure her, would go police up pray. Social media right to prayer, Ibokin insulting. Maxwell, you're not anywhere. Bukuma Busmento Inki. Here I can sake. A boyanga go gay. I write an pipeline contract. Here it is, okay. I could keep me body. Nikumba. I Asari Yari. Anywhere Yaranga go, I kumba. Master, me my Kamae. You are eating my food, living in my house. Me my Kamae. I couldn't keep me body. Nyobo. Don't you remember Bugana be vaccinated to Gibrero? Yara my nabo, Yari Simba. Yari Fulania. I came me body. That young bomb no Maxwell. Oh, full kissing. I'm not careful. Here, Brebra, man. Here, Brebra, Canando.